Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update NVIDIA drivers Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. If you are using NVIDIA hardwares like GPU or physics card, then you need to update the drivers so they work properly without any errors. First of all, you need to download the driver software from the official NVIDIA website. Before doing that, you need to find the model of your NVIDIA hardware or your GPU model details. To find that, right-click on this PC and click on Show More Options and then open Manage. Then click on Device Manager. Here is the list of all connected hardware. Expand the display adapter. From here, you will get the GPU model details. Here it's NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. After finding that, open up your web browser and open the official NVIDIA website. Here, click on Products and then open GeForce graphics cards. Then click Drivers. Here I go for a manual search. First select the product type. Then choose product series. I'm using a laptop with 3050 RTX GPU, so I choose the 30 series notebook option. Then select the GPU model here. It's RTX 3050. Select the operating system and also choose the download type. If you are a gamer, then choose Game Ready driver. Otherwise, choose Studio driver if you are a content creator, audio video editor, or animator, etc. Then start the search and we'll get the available driver details. Check the release date and download the latest release. After downloading, install it and restart the system. So that's basically how you can update NVIDIA drivers Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.